Hey guys, what's up? It is the crack of dawn here. Haha, not really. But today I'm gonna do feeding all my animals in one video. And right now I'm just gonna get coffee and make myself a bagel and then eat that. And then I'll be going outside just so I can warm up a little more before I go outside. So, I hope you like this video and let's go. I've had my coffee. I've had my breakfast, which was a bagel. Now I'm headed down to feed the chicks in the basement. And yeah. So these guys were just running around at each other, jumping on each other, fighting, and it was pretty funny. I'm not refilling their water because there's still like half a jar in there, so I'd have to go dump it all out. So I'm just gonna leave it until they drink it. And yeah. There she is. Here. She shoves him away. He's like, really? I've been here longer. Why don't you guys share? You're a grown man. You could push her away too. No, he's just gonna walk away. She's such a cute little kitten. I do feed my horses a variety. They all get 12% horse pellet and a sprinkle of corn, and then they get alfalfa, except for Scout and Poby. Denny gets maintenance feed because he needs to body build and stuff. So I do give him maintenance, 12% horse pellet, alfalfa, and then Scout and Poby get 12% horse pellet, a dash of the corn, and anxiety supplement.
You know I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show. to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show.
Well, I just fell, guys. I tripped on that. I caught myself at the gate though, so I'm okay. I just fell. It's weird. I just like backed up and couldn't stop myself. Okay, guys. Come on. Out. Out, out, out. Come on. There's Kit Kat. He is super worried about the chickens. He won't even eat. He's like looking at the chickens the whole time. They're down there. Hi, beautiful. They look so weird when they have fly masks on. The flies aren't out yet, but yesterday they were really bad, so I just put them on. Popey doesn't have one because it's hard to find a fly mask for ponies. All you can find is horse or miniature pony. Like, it's stupid. And I don't want to order one online because then if it doesn't fit, I have to pay shipping to get it back. So, yeah. I'll just have to go to Track Supply and try to get her one. Rascal's fly mask, I won at an open house. They had like a drawing and I won, so I got to pick it out in a little bin, and it was actually pretty awesome because I used it. I also want a sponge. I still have the sponge. So yeah. So that's just kind of my feeding routine a little bit. I'll do a more in-depth video soon, but if you want to know what I feed them, all of the horses get this 12% horse pellet. They all get it. I just take a 3-quart scoop and divide it amongst them. Not evenly. Scout doesn't get a lot. I decided to cut this part off because I want to do an in-depth video about what I feed my animals, so I didn't really want to spoil it in this video. And then after I grain them, I put out 2 flakes of hay, so that way they can, you know, like, digest it and not be, just have grain. That's just what I do. Denny's over here having hay right now.